Not too important in IGCSE because you don't need to do calculation. And the idea is similar to what we have been talking about for long. So if you like, you can put it down, magnetic flux. Imagine you've got some B field going downward vertically like this, and these are called magnetic field, right? Magnetic field, and you may call magnetic field lines. These are field lines. However, just some precise wording here. The one that you are experiencing, or let's say there's a coil, you make a coil, like if you want to build motor, like last time, you make a coil. We only care about the B field that you experience. For example, if I say, now you've got more B field here, does it make a difference? Would it make a difference if I add more B field here? It won't, right? Because you are only here, right? Doesn't matter what's outside. So that's why we created a word called magnetic flux, and the word flux means the area that you cover. So that is to say, magnetic flux only counts the magnetic field that are passing through the area that you cover. So let's say only these two. We don't care about the rest. So when we say magnetic flux change, then it could be different things. It could be different possibilities. It could be what? If this change is the magnetic field that passes through you in this area, only in this area, but not anywhere.
So the flux is like current.
Well,
so it's just a certain
nothing
area.
to do with current.
It's just a certain area.
Yeah, just we specify a certain area, and we only care about how many B fields are passing through in that area.
So
We call it magnetic flux.
What's the difference with the normal of cutting?
Normally, when we say magnetic field lines, we are referring to all the lines here. So if we say magnetic flux here change, there could be different possibilities. It could be it become more dense, right? So now it change, or the area become bigger. So in this case, we can also say magnetic flux change as well.
The flux already means change, so magnetic flux change will be magnetic.
No, the word flux doesn't mean change. Flux means for that certain area only. If you don't understand that, if you don't use it, that's also fine actually. You can see